In this video, I will show you how to print labels and prepare your products to ship to Noon warehouse. As shown in the previous tutorial, after you have created your Noon Express ASN, you will have to print the partner barcodes and label them on each product. Remember that this is a very crucial step because this is the only way Noon associates can scan your products and process them. The easiest method is to simply go to the ASN page and copy the partner barcode and print the number of barcodes required as per the product quantities. In my case, I will use the Go Label software that is used to print labels by a thermal printer. If you don't have a thermal printer, you can use Microsoft Excel or any other software to generate these barcodes and print them on an A4 paper, then cut out these labels and stick them on every product. After printing the partner barcodes, you have to print out 2 copies of the shipping plan that you can print from the ASN page. When you deliver the shipment to Noon warehouse, you have to get signed and stamped on 1 copy of this document and keep it with yourself for documentation and acknowledgement purpose.